Today I'd like to show y'all what I learned about installing these shed door latches. Now I can't just put it right on the edge here because when I built these doors I made a step out here and an end step here. And because it's double doors, I have these latches here as well, top and bottom. The only thing that didn't come with is this little plate right here. I robbed that from an old set of house doorknobs, and it's just got a thin piece of metal here, a thin metal piece over here, and that way when I drill this hole, if this OSB isn't strong enough to hold it, it's got that metal right there. These you just got to be careful to leave some distance between here and here. It's like it's about 1 inch, but don't quote me on that. I had it unlatched and then looked at it to see if it would have enough room and left a little gap while it's unlatched to get the right distance. And it would be a lot easier to do these if the screw bit in your cordless was magnetic. This right here comes with the screws needed and the Allen key to loosen up that bolt and take that off, which is good because what I did here was I took this and I closed the doors on myself so that I could hold that along the edge, and I've got it about 1/8 of an inch inside the edge, and I push open. Let's do that again because I moved. I push open while holding it there to see if it's going to hit anything when I'm opening it if I put it that close to the edge, and it didn't. So now that I know I can get that close to the edge of this, I want to look over here and I want it to be kind of in the center of this. So look around, and that puts me about right there. And that's why I put that little mark right there. To get that mark, I just took one of these smaller drill bits and stuck it down in the hole, hit the paint and made a mark in the paint. Shop Cat's come to make sure I don't ruin anything. Isn't that right, Shop Cat? Now I could just push this right back up against the wall and start drilling, but then I'd drill through this and into the wall. Just because I haven't done that today doesn't mean I've never done that. Let's see if that came out where we want it. It's just a tiny bit above center of this board right here. Yeah, right about there. Clean that up with a pocket knife a little bit. I don't like to just tear these off because it can tear the paint way up. Now the last thing I got to do is put this piece on here, and I'm going to put it in a little bit further than this because I can't pull this door quite all the way towards me. There's no handle or nothing inside until I get this on anyway. And then from the outside I'm going to push on the door and twist and see if it latches good. Tighten that up. Actually now I can pull on it and turn, and sure enough, it's got that tiny bit of gap if it's pushed all the way. Let go and there it is. So we know it's going to work. We'll just go to the outside and check it anyway. Now don't go with your fingers in there like this and just push the door open because you can rake the skin off your knuckles. You turn it and get your fingers out of there and then push. Better yet, never put your fingers inside there. Just push it up and over and then push. 2 mods I think I'll do to this is I think I'll tack weld a little plate of metal on here so that fingers can't go through there and get messed up. And right here where it latches on this paint and wood, I've got quite a bit of metal left over from doing the metal roof. And yes, I did a video on that if you want to see a video on how to do all that metal roofing. But right now the point is I'll cut a piece of this metal and cover that wood right there where it latches, maybe about that long. And that should protect the wood from getting wear from opening and closing a lot. I don't think any of these can lock by themselves, but it's a good idea just in case to have the keys in your hand. There it is. Opens and it latches. Opens and it latches. And it locks. I'll put a link in one corner to how I built these doors if you want to see more. And if you want to see how I built the whole shed from the ground up to the roof and everything, I put a link to the playlist in the other corner.